work that which we do, the organizers and people like me who are trying to kind of have the drum circle, the organizers, people who've been coming in regularly, and of course the coordinators and stuff. So there's a lot of work behind that also. So if you're going to be saying yes, we're going to be here for the event, and you don't come in, then it's going to be a waste for a lot of people and their work. So drop in. It's going to be tomorrow, probably at 4:30 or something. So we start at 4:30. We go on for an hour and a half or maybe 2 hours. So you could follow us on the Delhi Drum Circle page. You can see us there. You can research us on YouTube. We've been playing since probably 2008, 2010. This is a concept which is to spread joy and happiness and have a community happening where people meet, let their hair down, and they do creative stuff, and we play for fun and joy. We're not an entertainment group. We're actually Delhi Ram Circle, and we have a community of more than 18,000 or maybe 20,000 musicians and drummers all across the world. So join in, and hope to see you tomorrow and have fun and enjoy. And Hakuna Matata. The world is beautiful. The world is amazing. So here's to a lovely chai, and if you want to relax, get some incense oils and stuff, because the weather is so nice. If you have these little things on your tables and you smell them, and you kind of indulge in these fragrances, you start feeling good and you feel refreshed and rejuvenated. So if the heat has gone onto you and stuff, this is a good way to unwind and rest. And if you have pets at home, a good idea is to also have these relaxation oils happening, because if you have a dog or a cat, dogs specifically feel relaxed also with these kind of oils and stuff like that. Okay, so jkampani@gmail.com, justinkampani.im@gmail.com, and justinkampanioffice@gmail.com. You'll find me there. I'm on social media, Instagram, Facebook. I'm not very active on Twitter, and I also have a lot of videos on YouTube now, which are also in the video section of Instagram, and they're also sometimes on Facebook. The objective is to just share thoughts and information which people may find helpful. And I have to admit that I've started following some people whom I left behind in my career journey. So one lady, you would like to listen to her. She's great, Pearl Khan. Her video has appeared on my wall today. So Pearl, if you're tuned in, I love the work. I love the fact that people are trying to be oppressors online and stuff, and on TV and everything. So I loved your reference of childhood, and I do remember the lovely time we had in the office where we both shifted in at one time and stuff. So hope to see you soon and stuff, and keep up the good work. And Simon, your books are amazing. I've been reading them. I used to follow you on social media during Corona. I went to the Oxford bookstore in Delhi. I took a look at your books, and there were 3, 4 people standing in there, and we were talking about one of your books, I think, which helped his child. So keep up the good work, okay? And thank you so much for sharing my posts and kind of spreading the same thought. If people like us got together, I think it could make a difference to the mindsets of people and stuff and all that, okay? So love and luck and take and have fun and have a blast. Keep the faith, and tomorrow being a Sunday, do send some more positive vibrations and positive thoughts to the world. So the world is a boomerang, it gives you whatever you kind of set out, yeah. On a lighter note, I mean, if you're going to be thinking stuff which is going to be anti the world, like disgust and hate and negativity and stuff, you're going to attract it in your own world. So keep your prayers and your intentions clear, and send out positivity. Yeah, so love and luck and take care and have fun, have a blast. Bye bye. Cheers.